So today I'm going to be talking about the 2003 Chevy Blazer V6 engine. So removing spark plugs on this vehicle is a bit of a task, especially on the number 3 cylinder spark plug. So where the number 3 spark plug is sitting, you have the steering column right in front of it, and there's hardly any room. You can't get a ratchet and a socket on it. So today when I was working on this vehicle, we are removing the heads. I was taking spark plugs out of 1, 3, and 5. The first spark plug, you have a lot of room. Also the number 5 spark plug is also pretty easy to take out. So that number 3, I was trying to get my ratchet on there, but I couldn't. Where that steering column is sitting, it's sitting pretty close like this. So it's pretty damn near impossible to get that ratchet on there. I have this ratchet right here. It's pretty slim compared to this one. This is a lot slimmer. I actually was able to squeeze in my ratchet like that. You can try a different socket, but right here, these are the same size. I was actually thinking of taking a grinder and actually grinding this down so I could shorten it up and have room to get my ratchet in there. But this is a brand new socket out of my new set, so I didn't want to ruin a good socket. So I have these other 2 sockets. They're a lot lower. Those probably could have worked really good, but I didn't have them at the time. They were here at home and I was an hour away. At the end of the day, I came home. I actually YouTube how they do spark plugs on this typical vehicle. I came across a video on YouTube where this guy, he removes the steering column just out of the way so you can get at that spark plug with a socket and a ratchet. I actually found a better solution and it's a no-brainer. My spark plug socket here that I have has this here, so you can get a wrench on it. I was able to reach in with my wrench and I was able to get on it and I was able to turn it. I remember back in 2013 going through school for my automotive service technician. I remember we were doing ignitions and starting systems. One of my buddies, he was in this group and they were doing the spark plugs on this typical vehicle. And I still remember this vehicle to this day, and they couldn't remove that spark plug. I don't remember how they did end up removing it. That was still locked into my mind over these years. I did record a little bit of a video, so let's check that out.
Yeah. 2003 Blazer, how to remove the spark plug. 1, 2, 3, so the number 3 spark plug. So what I did was use the spark plug socket, set it in there. So you gotta get spark plug socket like this, then also size 19 wrench. It'll fit right on the spark plug socket, just like that. You place the socket on the spark plug, and then you use the wrench to get the spark plug out. Set that in there, just like that. And then we'll go on top with our 19mm wrench. And then off we go.
If you're wanting to change spark plugs on this vehicle, I recommend getting shorter size sockets. You should be able to get a ratchet in there with a shorter socket, or if you have a spark plug socket like this, you can get a wrench on it and you should be able to crack it loose. I hope this video helps someone down the road when replacing spark plugs on this vehicle. So please like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment on this video if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you later.